Well, the EDSA decongestion was really under the term of President Duterte. That was one of his goals. You know, EDSA has become a symbol of our historical problems with especially traffic. So that's one thing we wanted to solve. From the first day, we really wanted to have at least a plan because we knew it would take years to implement. Hindi naman kaagad-agad. Kailangan talagang trabahuin. So we knew that in order for us to finish it within the term, we had to, on the first day, we had to conceptualize. So we conceptualized the bridges across Pasig, and then we really pushed these, the Skyway, the connector, the bypass roads for EDSA.
Skyway Stage 3. When we assumed that it was 3 years delayed, the accomplishment was only 11%.
I've always been very vocal about building new roads is not the answer to fix traffic. It's the same logic as buying a bigger belt to solve your weight problem. It's not going to do it. You're just going to add more cars to the road and you're going to have a bigger problem. The exception to that rule for me is when you're building roads that are actually bringing the traffic out. It's decongesting the center. So you have the Skyway right now, which is an arterial road, or it will serve a different purpose. It will bypass EDSA.
Yung mga ganitong project, yung makaka-decongest sa EDSA, makakadagdag sa ekonomiya natin. Hindi lang sa economy, pati sa buhay ng ating mga kababayan dahil makakauwi na maaga. Ayaw naman namin na forever na lang, 3 hours ang biyahe papunta sa trabaho. So we really need to do something about it.
End of 2020, you have Skyway Stage 3, which will connect Makati to Quezon City. So kung dati yung travel time mo would be 2 hours to traverse Makati to Quezon City, when this project is completed, 15-20 minutes. NLEX to SLEX will be reduced from 2.5 hours to only 30 minutes.
It links north to south. So this way, an opportunity for somebody like me who lives in the south can actually now work in Bulacan or Quezon City. It's not unheard of now. But to think about doing that before was kind of crazy. Working in Alabang and living in Quezon City or the other way around. But now it's doable. You could do that in 15-20 minutes.
4 years, we can see all of them have been finished. Ito po, syempre, habang ginagawa, maraming magagalit dahil may construction. Pero ngayon, nakikita naman natin yung result. Plano. So I'm quite happy about that.